The boss gathered his composure back, put on a smile, and so was Ada. "Still here?" he asked. "Yes, sir. I wanted to finish the report before tomorrow." Her voice was calm, respectful, but something about it hit him hard. For a brief second, he froze. Not visibly, but inside. That voice, that tone, that quiet strength, he had heard it before, years ago, in a different time, a different life. "Good," he said, regaining composure. "Don't overwork yourself." He nodded softly. "Thank you, sir." "Pack up. Let me drop you off," he said, while handing her a cup of coffee. Ada collected it from him, thanked him gently. She closed her laptop, took her bag and the cup of coffee, and walked out with his boss while talking about the office projects. Not long, they got to Ada's street, and he stepped out of the car and trekked the remaining few distance. Back home, Ada, in her nightwear, penned down the day's event in her diary without any further thought to it. While in Mr. Ken's flat, he was in his pajamas with a cup of tea, smiling sheepishly to the thoughts of Ada. Then it hit him. His mind drifted back to her eyes, her voice. He immediately became scared because it took him to a memory lane, a memory he had locked away. Fear, anger, shame, a loss he never spoke about, and now a girl who looked nothing like his past, yet felt exactly the same. His jaw tightened. Who is she? No! This is impossible. This is not possible. It can't be. He muttered in fear. What is he scared of? What memory is Ada resurrecting? Stay tuned and find out.